Banana economics. Explaining the gig economy using bananas, obviously. Picture jungle city. Most monkeys work steady tree jobs. Farmer monkey grows bananas. Shop monkey sells them. It's predictable, safe, boring sometimes. But some monkeys want flexibility, freedom, maybe sleep past sunrise to enter the gig economy. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Think of it like this. Instead of owning one banana tree, you hunt for single bananas, 1 gig at a time. Need a banana delivered? One monkey hops to it. Need help building a nest? Another monkey swings by? Need someone to screech your birthday song? Yep, a gig monkey. These gig monkeys aren't tied to one big tree. They pick and choose tasks, work when they want. Where they want, monkey happy, freedom good. But how does it work? Magic vines. These apps connect banana seekers with banana hunters. Tap, tap, screech, screech, GIG found, payment, not actual bananas. Silly, too messy. They use leaves, digital leaves. It's very convenient. After the gig, leaves magically appear in the hunter's app. Leaves good, can buy real bananas later. So why is gig economy buzzing? For seekers, super easy. Need help fast? Tap the app. Banana hunter appears. Poof, problem solved. Convenience rocks. For hunters, freedom, control. Hate early mornings. Only hunt bananas at noon. Feel extra energetic? Hunt 10 bananas in one day? Ooh, make many leaves. Sounds perfect, right? Not always, little chimps. Sometime problems first. Instability. What if no bananas need hunting tomorrow? Or next week? Monkey sad. Leave scarce. No guaranteed banana pile. Feast or famine. Second, no safety net. Gig monkeys usually don't get paid if sick. Or if they fall out of a tree. Ouch. No leaves, monkey. Very sad. No sick pay bananas. Third, costs. Hunter monkey. Uses their own vines, their own energy. Sometimes after costs, not many leaves left. Banana math. Hard. Monkey confused. Fourth, competition. So many monkeys hunting. Sometimes seekers pick the cheapest hunter. Banana go down, prices drop. Hard to earn good leaves. And the banana farmers? They take a little bit of commission from every banana gig done through their vine. Nom nom, say the farmers. More leaves for us? So, the gig economy. It's trading the big, steady banana tree for a basket of scattered bananas. More freedom? Yes. More flexibility? Absolutely. But also less security, less predictable banana income. Monkey happy sometimes. Monkey stressed sometimes. It's a jungle out there. Choose your bananas wisely. Want steady meals? Maybe stick to a tree job. Crave freedom and risk. Grab your app and start hunting. The moral. Whether you're picking bananas or picking gigs, understand the trade-offs. And always, always save some leaves for a rainy day. If this made you go, ooh, ooh, ah, smash that subscribe button. More monkey economics coming soon.